Check these Instagram profiles who post motivational quotes videos daily, and they are getting millions of views. After researching their profiles, I have noticed a common video structure that all these creators use to get viral easily, which I will share with you later in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any single process. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to make your own AI-generated motivational videos entirely for free. Firstly, let's look on what we are creating today.
Here we go!
Why do you hesitate to take the first step towards your dreams? Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
First, we will create quotes for our videos. To create a script for the video, we are going to use ChatGPT. I have created a prompt to generate the script, which will be in the description of this video. I'm instructing ChatGPT to act as a professional Instagram script writer requirements of the video. An example of a quote, and given the task to create a script for 5 videos, you can change this number and the script as per your needs. This script is used for adding a voiceover to your motivational video. Later in the video, I will show you how to use an AI tool to generate a voiceover. As you can see, ChatGPT generates 5 scripts you can use for your videos. For instance, this one about why do you hesitate to take the first step towards our dreams. Next, we need to find clips for our video. I will recommend you all to use Pexels as it is free, but you can use any other stock media website to find luxury lifestyle videos which contains cars, building, mansions, skydiving, and drone shots. Find clips until you have required number of clips as per your script length. We have to also find a short clip, which is the common video structure that creators use to trick their viewers. Here's an example of it.
Here we go!
Why do you...
You can find those on YouTube or Reddit. Now, we want a voiceover which is loud and realistic at the same time to get attention of our viewers. To get one, I would recommend you to watch my previous video in which I have shared a detailed explanation of 3 best tools for text-to-speech. I would recommend one of the tool from that video, which is TTS Maker. To generate the audio, copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into this box. After that, select your voice. I'm going with Ethan. Click on More setting and change the audio quality to high, volume to 120% and pitch to -5. Lastly, add verification code and click Convert to Speech. It usually takes few seconds to generate. Click on Download Voice File to download it, and done. Now we have our free voiceover generated by AI. All the links of the tools used in this video will be in the description. Now we have everything we need to start editing the video. For that, I would recommend using CapCut because it's free and user-friendly, but you can use any editing software as per your choice, as we are going to do only basic editing. Upload everything we just downloaded from stock media websites in your CapCut media panel by clicking on the import icon. Drag the voiceover in your timeline. I will first listen to the audio to find out if there's any extra unnecessary pause. As there are long pauses here, I will cut them. Now first, add the trick video to your timeline. As my trick video is a long video, I will only take a part of it and cut the rest. I will end the video right here. I will select the voiceovers and drag them after the trick video. Now I will add the rest of the videos one by one containing cars, buildings, etc. Make sure you do this step as per your script. We have to also cut the clips as per the pauses. For instance, cut a clip and add a new clip when a next sentence is being spoken. Repeat the process until you have covered the whole voiceover with the videos. Now select all the clips on your timeline except the trick video, go to the audio tab and slide the volume towards left completely. After this step is done, I will add transitions to my videos. Make sure to add normal transition to your videos rather than adding fast movement transitions, because then the video will look odd. So to add transitions, go to the Transitions tab from the top and add black fade transitions to all the clips. You guys can go with something different as per your choice. Now I will add captions to my video. Go to Text tab and click Auto Captions from the left navigation and click Generate. It takes few seconds to generate. After generation, go to Templates and select any one of the template you like. I will go with this one. Change the position of the captions to center and enlarge it as per your needs. To add or remove some words from the captions, simply go to the Captions tab in top right corner. After the captions are done, now I'm going to add background music to add more feel to the video. So, to add a background music, we will go to Audio tab and search for motivation music. As you can see, there are a lot of options for music. You can select any one of those as per your requirement. As I already have one, I will add the background music from the media panel and will align it after the trick video. Also, I would recommend you all to lower the background music between -10 dB to -15 dB. Get the extra part of the background music by selecting the last clip and press Ctrl+B to split it and press Delete to delete it. And now we are done with the editing part. To export the video, simply click on Export in the top right corner and again click Export. Let's have a look to our final result.
Here we go!
Why do you hesitate to take the first step towards your dreams? Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
See how we created a viral motivational video in a short period of time. It's a new and great niche to master, and you guys can earn dollars as it contains a great potential to go viral. If you love this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Upskill channel for more such AI related content in the upcoming days.